Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be building Airfix Vintage Classic Stug. Now this video is a bit mismatched, not the best clips, because quite a lot of it wasn't framed very well because I filmed it mid-2021, so about a year ago now, and I just never bothered to edit it. So this is the fully edited version, as much of focus as I can. Some bits I kind of have to leave below because they were needed for context. But yeah, it was a fun kit. I really enjoyed making it. Other than the road wheels and the rubber band tracks, which I didn't film the rubber band tracks because this would have been made like a 2-hour video. These road wheels, although look very nice when we're on, they're quite repetitive to put on. So it took me like 2 days to put them on just because I did one side and just couldn't be able to do the other side. Gluing these parts together was done with Revel contactor cement, and I thought I'd leave this bit in here as well because this is something really important for when you make your own models and stuff. Test fitting, really useful thing. So before you glue your parts on, just test fit the parts here as I'm doing here, and then I just grab my Revel contactor cement and I'll just glue it in place. But the test fitting means I know the part fits correctly and it doesn't end up with screwed up, parts that don't quite fit that should have sanded down. Makes your life a whole lot easier, I must say. Although this bit's out of focus as well, this was putting like the gun mantlet into the model, and I didn't show it in the video, but the gun actually moves up and down, which is quite cool. Although for the build, I think I broke the barrel on this one, so it's not perfectly straight. But either way, this is a good mechanism. It was really good for the time, and yeah, if you put your glue on right, it won't stop the barrel moving, which is. I'm going to be honest, normally I would have put the paint number here as well, but I actually forgot what paint I used. I think it was one of the Humboldt Desert colours, so which one I can't remember, but it's one of them. But it came out really nicely. Yeah, although you can't really see it very well here, there's definitely paint going on, and it completely changes the colour of the model, although the camera doesn't show it very well. And then I did do a bit of chipping with, I think it was Humbrol 53, the colour I used for this one, or 56, one of the two. And I did a little bit of chipping with the on the front I actually removed because I didn't really like the way it looked, so I kind of just took it off, well not took it off, painted over it and that sort of stuff. And then it came up much better, as you'll see in the result photos in a moment. But with that, I want to thank you very, very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, and enjoy these last few gallery photos, because I'm not going to lie to you, I quite like the way this looks.